Say hi everyone!
Hi everyone.
My name is
Mama.
and today we're going to make
Pancake.
no.
Cooking.
What are you going to cook today?
Yes.
What is it?
Daddy.
It's Daddy? You're going to cook Daddy?
Okay. Everyone.
Okay.
Say hello everyone.
Go down first, go down.
Hello everyone.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Smile. Here. Summer. Say hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
My name is
Mama.
and today we're going to make
Make potatoes.
Okay, what's that?
Water.
Good job.
What's that?
Can you say salt and pepper?
Salt and pepper.
What's that?
Yes, this is potatoes.
It's a
Potatoes. Potatoes.
Here, not there. Here.
what's this ingredient? Ahoo! What's this?
Mickey.
It's a
Mickey.
say let's wash the potato.
Potatoes.
Now, carry the potato and let's go to the kitchen
Go to the kitchen.
to wash the
Potatoes.
Okay, let's go. Grab the potato, 2 hands. Okay. Put it. 1. Is it hot? 2. Clap your hands. Yay! It's okay, just smash it. Smash. What's your favorite color? Blue. And how old are you? 3 years old. Are you enjoying yourself? You're stronger now? What's your favorite planet? Saturn. Good job. Mash it. It's okay, mash it. It's okay, put them all. Alright, now mash it. Mash it. Mash it. Mash it. What's this? Daddy fork.
This one. I want this one. Number water. Taste. Taste. It tastes good.
What do you think?
Tastes good.
It tastes good.
It tastes. Maybe I'm on time. Yummy.
Yeah, I like it.
Like it. Mommy. Mommy. I might take a try it.
Good job, Summer. I like it.
Potatoes. Oh, potatoes. I did it. I did it. I want potatoes. I did. I want potatoes. I eat it.